Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a welcome bot to Discord. Let's get started. By adding a welcome bot to Discord, you can automatically greet new members, making them feel more welcome. To set it up, just go to Server Settings, click on App Directory, and search for Probot. Now, click on the star icon. Then, click Add to Server, and follow the prompts to complete the process. Once done, you've successfully added the welcome bot to your Discord server. After adding the bot, scroll down until you find the welcome and goodbye section. Click on it, then customize the message according to your preferences. Make sure to enable the option once you're done customizing the message. Here you can compose a message to be sent when a user joins the server. Customize the message according to your preferences. In my case, I'll leave it as it is. Then, under Send, you'll see Sent to a channel. Make sure you've selected the correct channel where you want the welcome message to be sent. Once done, you can close this window. Let's test it by inviting someone to join this channel. So I'm going to copy this channel invite link. Just copy this one. So I'm going to use my other Discord. Click this, and then we're going to click Join a Server, this one here. Let's see if it will work. Perfect. That's how you add a welcome bot to your Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.